Welcome! Today I bring you the Soul 30mm Series 2500. Nice press, padlock, but the others weren't really secure, so I don't expect much of this one. As you can see, nice brass again, but only 3 pins. Well, let's get it in a vise. Try to pick it. I might just want to switch that one around. The key is really big. Yeah. Ooh, looks like we have spools in here. What's going on? Actually need to counter rotate. Nice. It's not hard, but it's at least spools. Alright, let's do a little speed pick here, just for the record. But as you have seen, there are spools. That could be. Let's give it one more try. A little less tension, maybe. Well, it's okay. There was a Soul 30mm actually with spools in it. I'm surprised. 3 pins, could be just more pins, would be much safer then, but at least it got some spools. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.